This one I need to be.
Welcome to all. Today morning moon channel. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel. Today we are going to see for Sofitel one shop rapid computer service. Here lot of used laptop and TV also. One person is a elder is more expert from TV repairing LCD and LED TV. We can take one interview for that person. Let's see what he is doing.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, you, my dear. I'm without mask, not allowed for this country. Then I will close again mask.
No problem. For video only, no?
But video also we are caring of
Okay.
corona. Then I will close again. Okay.
Okay,
Bye.
okay.
You see my face? Bye.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell me, what kind of TV are you repairing for?
I'm,
expert for technically hardware. How expert to repair?
all LED TVs.
All LED TVs you are
All
repairing.
LED TVs.
What kind of repairing you are doing?
Doing LEDs changing, motherboard repairing, system board repairing, boards changing.
Okay. If
This is system board.
display broken, its replace is
This
possible.
is broken, very expensive.
Very
Better to
expensive.
buy another one.
If any other TVs or motherboard
one.
problems, if they have display, that display we cannot exchange.
Depending the model number.
Depend on the model number. But
Need
duplicate display is not available.
No.
Okay.
Need to buy original same model number. Need.
Model number.
There is connection.
Okay. You are doing it's a LED, LCD TV. Most of TV for
LCD is now finished, no?
LCD is
time is
finished.
finished.
LED and
Before I am doing CRT TVs, after LCD came,
okay.
now LED came.
Okay. Now QLED came.
The came also same, no?
Okay.
Same technology.
Now LED TV you are doing only repairing on the motherboard.
Motherboard.
And smart TV, any corruption, any not working, web OS, all things, software also you are reloading?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hardware, software for LED TV you are doing?
Everything.
Everything.
Hardware doing there is engineer software.
Okay.
We have USB. You see there?
I see that.
And Wajid there.
Okay.
There have computer
Okay.
programming. TV software updating.
Okay. You are only replacing the
This-
motherboard?
Here also Wajid. This also.
Okay. You are only replacing the motherboard. Replacing the
Not
motherboard and
replacing.
repairing also.
Not replacing everything.
Everything.
Everything what is happening, TV, what we are looking what happened,
Okay.
then we will repair.
Okay. How long you are in repairing field?
My age, I am starting first radio repair. Radio is making. My age is 7 years.
Okay.
7-year-old child that time.
Okay.
My
7 years
uncle
itself you are.
My uncle electronic engineer.
Okay.
He is
Okay.
bringing to me Ladybird books.
Okay.
How to make radio like this.
Uh,
Then one transistor radio I am starting after 7 transistor.
okay.
After black and white TV.
Hmm.
Like this came. Now I think 38 years something.
No,
I'm
but
working.
you studied any degree or any?
Yeah.
You study
I'm
also
radio and
degree?
electronics laboratory
Yeah.
in Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Laboratory I am diploma.
Diploma.
4 years.
4 years.
After 2 years extra, I am doing motor winding and transformer winding.
Transformer winding.
Yeah. After 2
Okay.
years extra again.
Okay. Nice to hear.
All my courses are 6 years.
6
In
years.
Sri Lanka radio and
Sri
electronics
Lanka.
laboratory. Yeah.
In
And diploma.
Sri Lanka also you are doing your free
Sri
time.
Lanka I have my own TV show.
One TV shop.
I'm video cameraman TV.
Okay.
Sri
Okay.
Lanka, video filming, weddings, birthdays. This also I am doing. Not always, we don't have always
Okay.
weddings.
Uh,
That are like a part-time. Video
Okay.
cameraman and video editing.
okay. Now you are doing TV means you can do for DSLR camera repairing and GoPro.
No. Camera, we are not doing repair.
You're not interested with camera
No,
repairing.
camera
and
repair.
that? Okay.
Only camera, we are filming, everything. This
For only capturing,
capturing, editing, video.
editing and
filming,
video.
Photo taking, photo cameraman.
Okay.
Also.
What's your name?
I am Tidon Jude.
John.
Jude.
Jude.
My business name is Sri Lanka, Nishan Lanka Electron and Audiovisual Creations.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
This is which brand? This TV?
This one high size.
I sell
65 inches.
65 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. How many circuits or PCB boards are coming? Power board, one is motherboard. Any other controller board is there?
I take one.
Okay. Which TV are you advised to buy? Which brand?
Best brand?
Best brand. Your experience.
Yes. I like Sony,
Okay.
Samsung, LG.
Okay.
After that TCL, Hisense.
So best TV you
Best
not.
is Sony, no?
Huh?
Sony is color best in the world. I don't know why I
Okay.
like. I like people what they say, I don't know.
Okay.
Sony, I like color.
Now what are you doing? This TV, what's the problem?
This one, this one, HDMI.
Okay.
Broken. Then Wahid making this one, HDMI, I'm fixing.
Okay. HDMI port and USB port, any problem you can fix.
Yeah.
Port problem and you can fix and hardware related.
Yeah. These things I am not doing.
Okay.
These things doing another section our.
Okay. They are
There is
replacing the
another
port
section there.
and you are fixing.
Yeah, Wajit and Asmi, they are the
Okay.
one doing these things.
Okay.
This is micro things.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, okay, Masalama.
Okay. Here is lot of available for user laptop. EliteBook 8440 750 real, 4 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD hard disk. EliteBook is it's like a little old laptop, 2-3 years old laptops. Lot of laptops are available. Here Dell also, Lenovo,
Hey, that one.
all EliteBook only.
My hair also repairing. Hey, you hair right? Edit my hair right? Put cap or something.
No problem, you can edit.
Hey, Wahid.
Here rapid shops they are doing hardware for chip level service also, and if SSD hard disk any replacement, RAM issue, everything they are doing.
These two here.
It's a very small hard disk, SSD M2 hard disk. It's a one hard disk. How much price this one?
This one according to the capacity.
Now this one what is the capacity?
That one to 2.6 something like that. 2.5.
2.5. How much is coming this one?
On 2.6 300 plus.
300 real plus. Okay, it's make Taiwan.
Our shop, all engineers are here.
Okay.
Computers, TVs.
Hmm.
Down some shops also, they will take it some computers.
Okay.
Our shop, the one repairing.
Okay.
They are taking subcontract. Our shop name is Native Computers.
Yes, here lot of people's for repairing, for working for chip level service. They are integrated chip level service for rectification of laptop issues, motherboard problems, port problems, display problems, and hard disk issue. If no display, everything they are doing. They are well experienced people for repairing for LCD replacement and display graphics size issue and processor issue, everything they are doing. If any laptop, if you are having any issue, please drop comments. I will give best price they are doing for the laptop repairing, and I will give the best prices also. Contact to us. Here see lot of motherboards are there. These motherboards sometimes recycling process also they are doing. This is one of Dell laptop for graphics. I think a gaming laptop. 16 GB RAM. Dual fans. My friend, what are you doing? You are repairing that laptop?
Yes.
I given one laptop for this lock damage. They are fixing some steel properly. They have lot of equipments for microscope, for how they are, so minute parts and all they are identified from this microscope. If any short circuit also, they are easily resolving the issue.
I need to see final. Every connections are okay.
More laptops, motherboards are there.
Yes.
In this rapid computer system, they are doing for repairing for Apple laptop issues also.
I give you the ISIS, but you tell me no repair. I think here. Number 5562629.
Now, right.
Check please. So what can we do?
I will check the problem. But I'm not sure here. One issue to take the touch screen.
They are selling for used laptop for Macbook Pro also. This is a cost is 2,300. Actually, new price this laptop around 4,000 5,000 real will come. This is what is the processor. We will see the configuration. If anyone interested for this laptop for buying, please contact me. I will give the description my contact number. This is i5 2 GHz 8 GB RAM and 1.5 GB graphics, Intel graphics. Laptop is very good condition and SSD hard disk also. SSD hard disk is 121.2 GB, around 256 GB SSD hard disk. This MacBook Pro is model 13 inches 2016 model. It's more compact model. If anyone is interested for this laptop, let me know and contact to us. This laptop model number A1708, 3 ampere. It's assembled by China, is California designed. Actually, you are doing programming, installing the IC. The program installed from computer. This IC is what function in the motherboard?
It's called BIOS.
BIOS IC.
BIOS is a program.
Okay. If anyone having for BIOS IC corrupted, you know how they are doing for install from computer. They are reinstall the program BIOS IC. Which brand this laptop?
It's on Acer.
Yes. This is a very small one. After eating, you are giving some injection. What this? Liquid
Liquid mean this IC removal.
IC removal. If you do soldering only, it will be grip.
Yeah.
It will
After
touch.
fixing properly.
Fixing properly. Actually, this laptop is having BIOS issue.
This one water fell down. Liquid fell down.
Okay.
So many problem have.
Hmm.
I doubt the BIOS also. I have to program now. BIOS.
Okay.
And check one by one.
If you have doubt means one by one you are coming.
Yeah.
First you check display IC, processor, RAM.
This one giving customer no power, no coming power,
Hmm.
but not get stable.
Not stable. Sometime power come after will be drop.
Still the same.
No need to connect with monitor. You can check from here itself. Without monitor, they are easily identified for the motherboard which of the IC is working, or getting output from display or IC. Wow, TV inside. This much lights are there.
Yes.
65 inches TV. Yeah. Actually, LED means they have light, like that LED light only. From this light only we are seeing the display.
Yeah.
Uh,
This is LED. This is LEDs.
hmm. First time I am seeing a LED TV inside. This one display broken?
No.
No, you are replacing
LEDs.
what? LED. For LED you can replace? If display broken you cannot do anything.
Display can. LEDs we will buy.
LED if problem we can replace.
Yes.
You have to replace by one by one?
No. Complete.
Complete set.
Yeah.
But my TV is what happened, no? It's a fall down. But inside is it's like a line is coming. It will
Panel.
panel
Colors.
panel damage we cannot do anything. LED replacement how much cost will come? LED
Normally 55 inch. One 500 real, 550.
Okay.
Going.
Hmm. Very hardly to replacement, no, this work. Very hard. Very hard work, no?
Yeah, hard work. And need to care for see straight.
Okay.
Glass need to care.
New TV, how much cost will come this one?
This one 2,700. This one 2,700.
2,700. But they are spending for repairing cost how much?
No problem, no, 500 real, 600 real, they will repair.
They will repair.
More than going, they are not repairing.
600 real they are repairing.
600 also repairing. 65-inch TV, 55-inch TV.
Okay.
Other TV is cheap, no?
Hmm.
35-inch one is only 300 real, 400 real. Cheap TV. We can buy cheaper.
Hmm.
Expensive TV, they will repair.
They will repair.
Yeah.
Finish? Anyone, if you require for laptop service, please contact me. I am doing for hardware chip level service also, and networking and firewall, any IT devices also, used items we are selling. Please contact to us, and below description my number is there, and Apple laptop repairing also we are doing. Okay, thank you for watching our videos.